Hello everyone. So guys, if I tell you about situational English, whatever the activities you do every day, you come across so many situations, you just have to speak in English. So right now I have to go somewhere, I have to go to market to buy some stuffs. So whatever I'm going to do right now, this is, whatever I'm doing is present. Whatever I will do is future. I have not done yet. And when I complete all the things, after that, if I tell you something, so it will be a story. So this is my present time and I have to go to market. Okay, so now I am going to grab my wallet first. As you can see here, my wallet is here. Okay, I am going to grab my wallet. So this is present continuous tense. I am saying that, okay, I am going to grab my wallet, means yeah, okay, now I have grabbed it. I have to put this wallet into my pocket and I have put it in my pocket. Okay, can I show you? Like, I have put it in my pocket. Now since I have to go to market, so I need a bag. So you can see my bag is just hanging there. I'm going to grab this bag as well. Okay, you can say grab or you can say take. So I'm going to take this bag. So right now, whatever the activities I'm doing, I'm just telling you. Okay, this is my present time. Okay, so I'm going to hang the bag. Okay, fair enough. Now I have to go because I have taken my wallet, I have taken my bag. Now I need a mask. Okay, so I have to take the mask. My mask is right here. I'm going to take it. Now I have to wear the mask. Okay, so I'm going to wear the mask. Okay, now I don't know what I have to bring, so I have to ask. So I am going to ask my wife, what am I supposed to bring? Okay, have you sent me the list? Send me the list. Okay, so my wife said that she's going to send me the list, so I will check. After that I have to buy lots of things, so I'll buy. Okay, so I'm going to send me the list meanwhile. So now I am going. Okay, let me put on my slippers. Akshat, could you please give me my slippers from there? Akshat, go there. Give me the slippers. So this is the situational English. Whatever I am doing, I am just speaking. And after that, I'll narrate you a story. Whatever the activities I complete, I'll narrate you the story. So guys, I have taken 1000 rupees. Okay. Now I am going to market. When I checked my wallet, there was no money. So without money, how can you go to market? Okay. So I am going. Let me keep the money in my wallet. Now I'm ready. In situational English, I just show you all the realities. Okay, and if you like this kind of videos, you have to comment me. I can make situational videos because whenever I have to go somewhere else, definitely I'll go along with my camera, my mic, so I can make. There is no problem. I don't care whether people are just going to gaze me, they are going to eat me up. I don't care. This is my job, so I love shooting. Just due to lockdown, I was not going here and there. Anyways, fine guys, so now I am going downstairs and after that I have to go to the nearby market. So guys, I'll catch you after reaching the market. Okay guys, see you. So guys, you can see I have come to the market and here first of all I have to take some fruits. So you can see watermelons here, so I'm going to take watermelon and some muskmelon also. So I have already taken, कितना है भैया ये, कितने किलो है? So I have taken 2 kg watermelon and 2 kg muskmelon. You can see here. Now I want some mangoes also. So mangoes are not available here, so I have to go to some other cart. Okay guys, I can show you the whole market from here. See the market. This is the market. It's afternoon time, so you cannot see so much rush around. Some people are moving, some people are buying, some people are selling. Anyway, so I have to make the payment here. तो कितने हो गए भैया जरा? ये आपका 40 का हो गया? 40 और ये 30. Here the muskmelon price is 20 rupees per kg. So I have taken 2 kg and watermelon price is 15 rupees per kg. So I have taken 2 kg. So guys, he doesn't have change. I was supposed to give him 500 rupees, but he doesn't have change, so I'm going to make via Paytm. So this time whatever I'm doing, this is called present continuous tense. So I've taken these musk melons and I'm just putting into my bag. So this action is going on, this is present continuous tense. Okay, so I have put it finally. See how many tenses I am using right now. I said that I have put it and now I am going to zip it up. And here we go, I have zipped it up. Now I am hanging the bag. Now I have to go to another cart to buy some mangoes, then some vegetables, and I can see a vegetable shop just opposite this. So I must go there to buy some vegetables. So I am going there, guys. So guys, I have to take some potatoes. As you can see, some potatoes right here. I am going to take the potatoes. कैसे है आलू? 20. So here in Noida, potatoes are 20 rupees per kg, guys. So I'm going to take. So guys, as you can see here, I have taken 2 kg potatoes, and here we go. You can see bottle guards here. So I have taken more than 1 kg bottle guards. Only 2 items. Rest of the vegetables are available at home. So I'm going to put them into my bag, and I have to make payment to the green grocer. Okay, guys. Catch you after some time. Fine guys, so I have to buy some other stuffs also. So let me buy all the things. After that I'll go back home and talk to you guys, because all the things are same. Like again and again, what can I show you? Like I'm going to buy this, I'm going to buy that. You understood what situational English is. So already I have bought some things and I have shown you the video. Now I'll buy the things, I'll go back to my home, and after that I'll talk to you, I'll narrate you this story, guys. Okay, see you there. Hi guys, so guys, finally I have come back to my home, and I'm telling you guys, whatever the activities I was doing, now those things have become past for me, because this is my present time. Okay, now if I tell you the story, my structures must be verb second form, must be was were, must be started, like how will I say? I will say that, okay, I was in my room and my wife came to me. She said that, okay, you have to go to market. I said, okay, I will go to market. So I grabbed my wallet. After that I grabbed my bag. Then I went to my wife and asked her, what am I supposed to bring? She said that she would send me the list on my WhatsApp. I said, okay. So she sent me the list. After that I took my mask and I went to the market. Okay, if I want I can add all those things also, but I'm just making it shortcut. I went to the market and there I bought some fruits. See, potatoes, you have already seen bottle guards. So I purchased some vegetables also, and after purchasing all the things I came back to my home. So this is what the story is. If I want, I can decorate this story also. So decoration is up to you whether you want to decorate or not. Like decoration means you can put some advanced structure also. You can say that having purchased all the things, I was absolutely laden with lots of vegetables and fruits. Then I came back to my home. So here I used laden with, it is an advanced structure. I said having purchased, this is also advanced. So you can decorate it by putting some advanced structures. So that is your job. You can do it in a better way. So through this video, I just wanted to show you that whatever the activities you do, you can speak while doing, and after completion of all the activities, you can sit somewhere else, start either audio or video recording and speak out whatever you did. Means start storytelling. Keep it up for a long time. I mean, keep recording, maybe for 1 week, for 2 weeks, for a month. After that, you will get the result. You will be able to speak in a fluent way, I'm telling you guys. Okay, so this is all about this video. Thank you very much. See you in another episode. Thank you guys.